makatawag pansin sa mga local movies na asintado or Watch Mikel at mga TV shows din na ang probinsyano. Ito ang mga fight scenes o combat scenes at ilan sa mga teknik na ito ang ating matututunan sa araw na to. Ako si Sheila Salaysay at ito ang Inside Sports. Para turuan tayo ng mga techniques, ang makakasama natin today ay ang Expert 3, Expert International Team and Global Instructor of IKMF, Chief Dindo De Jesus. Hi Chief, maraming salamat.
Thank you,
Pero
Sheila.
Chief, umpisahan natin to. Paano ba nagsimula ang Krav Maga?
So, ito is nangyari to sa World War II. So, may guy named Imrich Lechlenfeld sa Slovakia. So, nung time ng anti-Semitic. So, sinusuppress yung community niya, boxer siya, wrestler siya. Then, nakita niya na punching, tsaka kicking, tsaka yung wrestling alone, hindi masosolve yung problem eh. Kasi may mga attack ng knife, may attack ng guns, may machete. Then, he boarded the last ship going dun sa Israel. Then, he joined yung Palmach, yung resistance.
Okay.
Then, nung naging State of Israel, ginawa siyang head ng, which is now yung IDF, Israeli Defense Forces. Then, siya yung nagturo ng Krav Maga.
Okay.
Then, nung nag-retire siya, inadapt niya sa civilian use.
Paano naman nakarating ito dito sa Pilipinas?
Noong 1995-1996, ginuo yung IKMF, International Krav Maga Federation. Nabuhay pa si Imi noon, yung creator ng Krav Maga. Para kasi madami may clamor ng mga ibang countries na matutunan ng Krav Maga. So dito, nag-train ako noong 2008. Then 2009, nagkaroon ng civilian instructor course. Kasi hindi ka magiging instructor until luman ka sa course. 20 days yun, 10 days. But nung time ko, 26 days kami. Then may test pa yun. Then luckily, I passed. Then since noon, nagtuturo na ako. Then nung 2012, ginawa akong regional director sa buong Asia, tsaka 2013 global instructor.
Paano naman po nagsimula yung interest mo sa Krav Maga?
Well, nung wala akong background sa martial arts, but syempre nasa PE natin yon. Nung nag-train na ako, sabi ko, realistic to ah. O, yung approach niya at yung technique niya, ang simple, based sa natural reaction ng human being. Then, yung talagang yung sparring namin talagang grabe siya, intense. So, sabi ko, okay to ah. So, very interested ako. Then, nalaman ko, may mga different divisions siya. So, may specialization siya, like lawyers, like doctors. May mga madaming matuturuan. So, doon ako nagkaroon interest.
Daanan natin ng mabilisan, Chief, yung stages or journey of becoming an instructor. Paano ba to nagsisimula? Ano ba yung kailangan gawin to become an instructor?
Yeah. So, meron kami tatawag na practitioner level. Yun yung una. So, mag-start ka. So, practitioner 0 ka pa lang. Yun yung start eh.
Okay.
So, then pag pumasa ka after 4 months ng training, let's say, okay, nakuha mo na yung mga technique, then may level test yun. So, pag pumasa ka, practitioner 1 ka. Then, dapat umabot ka hanggang practitioner 3, then qualified ka na sa civil instructor course.
Okay.
So, yung civil instructor course, hino-hold dyan sa mga countries, or of course, even sa ibang countries, kung meron may IKMF in 96 countries, then you can join kung qualified ka. Endorse ka ng national director, o yung mga sa countries may mga national director yon. Then pagka na-qualify ka, naka-join ka, and you pass yung test. Tatlong test yun eh. May level test, may theoretical test, may teaching test rin yon. Then instructor ka na.
So how long have you been doing this?
16 years.
16 years. Not a lot of Filipinos know yung mga scenes or fight scenes sa pelikula ay Krav Maga. Pwede mo bang i-share sa amin? Alin pa? Dito yung mga programa or pelikula na tinuruan mo.
So dito sa Pilipinas.
Dito sa Pilipinas.
So una kasi ang IKMF Krav Maga, hindi siya kasi yung talagang, alam mo yan, yung quick ang movements niya eh. Hindi siya yung talagang yung para sa pelikula, yung mga magagandang mga kilos, ganyan. Pero dito meron sa mga teleserye. So ang mga natuturo ko yan, si Julian Santos, si Casey, sa isang series nilang Huwag Ka Lang Mawawala. Si Julia Montes, sa Asintado, so nag-train kami ni Julia noon. Si Raymart Santiago, matagal na, may level si Raymart. Oo, so si Raymart sa lahat ng mga teleserye niya, yung huli, yung Ang Probinsyano. Tapos meron din kami doon sa Too Good to Be True. Tapos may minsan tinatawag ako ng mga series na tuturuan ko yung mga artista. Yung mga artista nagiging student ko na rin. Beautiful Justice.
Sige, Chief, umpisahan na natin
Okay.
itong ating training for today.
Okay. So basically, yung hold up, pwedeng controlling, pwedeng abduction. So yung knife, itututok yan sa harap ng katawan. Okay? So pwede rin siyempre itatouch. Pero natural reaction, aalis ka dun sa tip ng knife, di ba? May pain. So yan yung mangyayari na yung distance. So yung knife is not touching yung body, okay, nasa medium distance, and yung second mission, hindi natin alam. Pwedeng simple hold up, pwedeng i-move kita from one place to another. So if hold up, bigay na. Now, if kailangan lang lumaban, so dito, ang first reaction is yung hands natin nasa side. Ang tawag natin dyan is low semi-passive. Okay? If you find yourself na nakataas yung kamay, which is normal reaction, ibababa mo yan. Okay? So here, yung free hand, kung gusto ko yung cellphone mo, is kunyari aabot ka ng cellphone mo. So yung mata ng attacker, yung hold-upper, nakatingin dun sa kamay. Ito yung mag-ooperate. Ito yung mag-hand defense. Ang hand defense mo is mag-concentrate ka sa heel of the palm. Ito, this part. So ang pinapunch mo is yung back ng hand ko. But ang motion is diagonally up. Okay? Hindi siya pa-side. So here, punching motion, okay, diagonally up. Then, as you punch yung hand ko, and as yung hand ko is moving yung knife away na doon sa line of attack, yung kicking leg mo, which is your right leg, is mag-regular front kick to the groin. Okay, so here, hand defense, groin kick, that's it, and run. Okay, so we'll do it fast. Yung next na lesson natin is choke coming from the side. So we have to release yung choke coming from the side. So here, choking nyo dito. Okay, so pwedeng hawak yung windpipe mo, then dito sa back ng neck. Okay, ang danger, if it's a good choke, 3 to 4 seconds you pass out. And ang pinakamasama is 9 to 12 seconds, you're dead. Okay, so the moment I touch yung neck mo, yung far hand, okay, yung left hand mo, close finger, shoot mo up, and catch mo to. So here, catch mo yung, ito, yan, part ng thumb niya. Okay, so yung part ng hand ko, which is closest sa neck mo, which is this. So plucking mo down, that's it. Okay, and at the same time, etong free hand, okay, is mag-scooping motion, punching yung groin, you can punch yung thigh muscle ko. Okay, so bend mo yung head mo and recognize. So titingin ka na sa akin. That's the time na makikita mo yung attacker mo. So yung forehead mo at yung shoulder mo should be in line. Kasi pag pinunch mo yung groin ko, magbe-bend ako. Pag hindi ka nag-bend, may headbutt kita. Okay, so pluck, bend, punch. Good. Okay, one motion, one. Good. Okay, then yung trap hand, which is here. Kasi in reality, it's this. So ito yung trap hand. So magbe-vertical elbow upward ka to release. Pero aabutin mo yung chin ko. Okay, so release, one, and up. Okay, good. Ready? 1, 2. Okay. Then, the bailout tayo, mag-escape. So, yung far leg mo, which is left, mag-step forward. And yung right leg mo, side kick. Yan, sa side ng knee ko. Okay? With whole weight crashing sa akin. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3. And run. Okay, that's it. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one sweep motion. Ready? Go. Okay, ready again. Okay, next natin, Sheila, is sa ground. Okay, instead ng choke sa side, ngayon, chino-choke kita sa ground, pero nasa side ako. Okay? So down, so bend knees. Okay, ang technique is this hand, okay, is removing yung one hand ko. Pag na-remove mo na yan, plak, stain, okay, wala, etong arteria mo makakahinga na. May one hand lang ako to choke. But you need to create distance, so yung nearest hand mo is nag-educational stop. So pinupush mo yung windpipe ko. So plak and push yung windpipe. Yan, okay? So again, one and push. Okay? Simultaneous. One. Yun, okay? Next is kailangan mo ng leg defense. So magro-roll ka back, yung right leg mo mag-shoot as high as yung collarbone ko. So cross chest. So yung shin mo naka-cross chest, yung knee mo should be here. Tapos mag-turn ka sa left side mo facing me. So lagi yung leg is facing yung atake. So lock, push, turn. Yan, good, okay? Then, yung far leg mo, which is left, yan yung mag-stomp kick sa chin ko. Okay, yun, knockout yun. Babaksak ako. Pagbaksak ko, keep on attacking, stand up. Okay? One, align, kick, kick, yan. Good.
Sa mga hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, mahalagang malaman paano protektahan ang sarili. Ako si Sheila Salaysay at ito ang Inside Sports! Now.